Our brain is just like a tape recorder. It can store anything and everything, but it depends on the quality of the cassette that you insert. Welcome back to SMI, guys. So today's topic you might have got an idea of. It's about the retention capacity of the brain and the memory, how to improve your memory capacity. So there are certain things that you have to remember when related to the cassette memory. First thing, learning does not mean reading. Learning is asking questions one after the other with concentration, mostly the question why. You can memorize things after understanding. If not, there are chances that you might forget things. Keep a very clear mind. Restlessness or tiredness or unhealthy habits can lead to your memory getting rusted. So the first thing is you have to be very fresh in your mind. If not, practice fitness, okay, maintain a good fit body. And a regular practice, learn today's portion today. Get updated. If not, there are chances that your memory is underutilized. So guys, how can you better exercise your brain? Researchers tell that only about 10% of the IQ intellectual quotient is used by most people. It means 90% is wasted. So how can you better utilize your IQ? There are certain ways in which you can utilize them. Here are they. Play some interesting games or solve some puzzles, like solving Sudoku. You can even play games like chess or even the latest hit Ludo to improve your brain capacity. You can make origami or paper figures. You can learn multiplication tables. Numerous are there. You can even solve questions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division without using calculators. Try to learn a new film, song, or poem every week. Try to learn some new languages. Practice the habit of writing. So if you find anything interesting, some features like that, try and write it down. You can even write using your left hand for some creativity improvement. You can even use your legs to improve your creativity. You can write 100 uses of pen or pencils. You can write words, 100 words per letter in any alphabet, not just English, whatever language you know. Practice yoga and meditation. Play a piano or do some typewriting, because when you do that, both your hands are involved and your brain, both right and left part of your brain are used. So try and utilize these methods to exercise your brain, improve your memory capacity.
Memory is thinking of what you know in the past. If you have to remember properly and clearly what you came to know, you have to practice it. Repeated learning is the way in which you could remember your subject portions. So I'm going to give you certain ways in which you can easily remember your subject portions. First, before you start your learning, try to recollect what your teachers have taught you in the classroom. Second, try to understand the concept and learn so that it will be very easy for you to remember. Try to relate it with real-time situations. For example, when you're learning something on historic events, imagine those characters as your family members so that easily you can remember even complicated topics. Third, make short notes or keywords while preparing a unit or a question so that when you're revising it, it will be very easy for you. Also, when you're nearing your exams, you don't have to consume more time on reading the entire topic. After learning each question, try to remember them by reciting or writing them without seeing. Also, you can discuss it with your friends and check it. Before going to sleep or while traveling or when you're free, try to recollect such questions, such answers. Because that is the way in which you could easily find whether you remember that one or you have to revise it again. Many students feel that certain questions are very difficult to learn, especially definitions or even numbers to learn. So one easiest method is chunking method, where you can divide the complicated one into simpler units. For example, it is an essay of 5 pages which has got no paragraphs or no breaks. You can divide that into various paragraphs or various points so that you could remember it easily. If it is a lengthy digit, 12 digit number, split it into 4 or 3 so that easily you could remember that one. That is chunking method. I hope you follow all these ways in which easily you can remember the things. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned with SMI so that we bring you so many informative topics.